Hello, Mr. Johnson. How are you? So, basically, you want a cross platform application for your product. I have in my mind few people who would be ideal for this task. What is the expected delivery date? Okay, so we have 6 months in our hand. We will provide you the best solution we can offer. Thanks for the opportunity. Yeah, bye. Have a nice day. Come in, please. This is Akshita. She has just joined our company after completing her computer science engineering. She is well versed in core Java and Angular. Let's welcome her to our group.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
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 So we have formed this group to deliver a smartphone application for a travel agency. We have got a mix of experienced developers and talented freshers here. Our deliverables are clear and we have got 6 months time to finish this. So let's start working on this. You can always come to me in case of any concerns.
Hi Sarah. I did not understand today's task. Could you please help me?
I'm already busy with my user stories. Can you ask someone else?
No problem. Thanks. Hey Ashish, I was wondering if you could help me understand today's task.
Sure, I'll help you with that. But can you tell me how an encrypted system works?
No, I'm new to this, so I thought you could teach me some basics.
I don't have time to teach you basics, but can you go through training modules in company's internal portal?
Um, okay. Hi Zishan, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm fine too. I'm just facing an issue in getting a software license and its approval. Do you know how to get this approved?
You need to first email Manish for the approval with the software details. Then, after the approval, you need to get in touch with the IT team.
Where is this IT team?
Hi Akshita, let me show you how to do the process to get a software approved and installed.
Yeah, thanks, Maman, for your kind gesture.
So I think that the login button should be present on the top right corner of the UI because even the lock key is present there, it would be handy for the users as well.
No, I think the login button should be in the menu on the top left side, and this would look aesthetically nice.
I agree with Akshita on this. I think she's got a very valid point.
Ashish is also not wrong. He has some valid points.
Hey everyone, what's the progress on the project? I hope you all are following the norms and the developers are not interfering with the work of the testers. And same goes for the testers too.
We are really working hard on this project, and yes, the group has been very helpful.
The tasks were properly assigned to each individual. Everyone has been very proactive. We have completed almost 60% of the project.
We have all bonded really well over this project, and the knowledge transition was effective, especially Akshita. Her work has been really up to the mark.
The seniors have been extremely helpful, and I really thank them for my progress.
We evaluate every alternative and choose the one which is supported by most. This has helped us in not only work effectively but also avoid conflict.
Well, it seems like the group is performing up to my expectations. Great work, guys.
After many brainstorming sessions and some conflicts, we have finalized our design.
The backend coding is also done. We are currently in the testing phase.
I've gone through the unit testing and the product is bug free.
No performance issues were found while testing the UI too. After all, Akshita is a group's lucky charm.
अबे यार फिर शुरू हो गया.
This is awesome news. Continue testing for one more week and then we will submit the project to the client and get the feedback. We have finally submitted the project and the client has appreciated our work. Great job, guys. I had a great time in mentoring an enthusiastic group like this. I really appreciate your work and commitment. Look forward to collaborating for future projects. Thank you, everyone, and enjoy the weekend.
Thank you so much, Manish. It was a great opportunity working with you and this great bunch of people.
I really miss all our McD outings during the office lunch hours. Those were the days.
It was really good bonding with you guys, but now I feel a bit sad that we all are separating.
Oh, don't be sad. Here you go. Take a chocolate. There's nothing a chocolate can't heal.
Oh, I really miss you guys.
Where is my chocolate? मुझे भी तो दो.